Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, a simple way to learn energy analysis and art tips. Today I'm gonna to introduce two free platforms that you can estimate embodied carbon of your projects, and this is completely free. You just need to follow the steps and learn how you can have estimation of embodied carbon of your projects. Please don't forget to follow me and subscribe me and like this tutorial. It's also encourage me to make more tutorials for you. So the first free platform that I'm gonna to introduce you is a Sour Studio. It's completely free website, and you can just go to the this address and this link, and get go to the their website and calculate, not actually calculate, estimate embodied carbon of your project. I will add this link below of this tutorial. You just need to click on the comment and just click on that and go to the this tutorial, uh, this link actually. You need to follow four steps: step 1, step 2, and step 3 and 4. All of them is easy, and I will show you how you can do that. The other things that I need to add, it works with this website works with international unit, but you can add a square feet here. It's automatically the website change to the this number to the meter. It's okay. In a first step, you need to add the square feet of the building, and then any floors that you have above the grade ground in that part. For example, if you have a 2 floor, you need to add 2. If you have 3, you need to add 3. If you don't have, you can add at 0. So next step is that you add the landscape. You need to add the location of the project. You need to add existing square feet of and actually the landscape, and also the type of the landscapes, existing landscapes and installed landscapes. So let's to do that. So just oh, I forgot to say, it's only work with USR. In USA, actually, it's for United States of America. Uh, for example, we choose Los Angeles in California, and we, for example, choose for existing vegetation. We use grass, and we can, and for plant or installed vegetation, we added the grass again, but you can add it, we choose everything's according your project. Let's do added the quantity and of the installed landscapes and go to the next part. The next part is material. If you know the the distance of the material, the distance of manufacturers of product that you are using in your project, you can add shipment. If you if you don't know, don't worry. You can keep we can move on. It's completely depends on your project and the information that you have. For example, for this, let's to add the shipment and you can add it different type, for example, for different product, for example for steel, for stone, or for everything. You can add the shipment separately. For example, now I'm added the steel. For example, the quantity of a square meter of this steel I choose. In that part, you need to add the distance between the manufacturer that you are using their products to your projects. Uh, to your project, it means you need to add the distance between that manufacturer and your building. If you don't know about that, you just need to go to this link below of the distance and just click on it. You automatically go to the another website to calculate this distance with you for you. That website just need to add the distance from 2 and measure the distance. uh, and also you need to add the type of the shipment, the type of the transportation. If you are using the truck, you need to use ground, is use the tran. You need to use the rail as a transportation mode. It depends on how much and quantity of materials comes with the different type of the transportation mode. Let's add a different type of the transportation mode to show you how you can do that and add the distance. It's I did it for steel. Let's go to do for other material, for example for a stone. Now you need to add the quantity of the material, and also you need to add the thickness of this type of the material for marble, and I think for MTF and others you need to do, but for a steel you just need to add the quantity. Let's to add the transportation mode. I think for now is enough. If you know about that other materials, you can add it the different types of transportation mode. But for this one, for this project, it's imagination project. You just need I just go to the these two type and then go to the results. Let's go to edit, go to the result and see what exactly we have. In the result part, we have total building carbon dioxide, and also we have total site, um, carbon dioxide, and also we have total supply chain carbon dioxide. This is the difference, and you can see for total supply chains the transportation separately calculated all of them, you can see, and the summary of carbon dioxide or embodied carbon of your projects comes with this number. As you see, this is completely estimate, somehow estimation of embodied carbon of your project. Just need to follow these 4 steps and get the result. Let's go to another web platform to estimate embodied carbon for our project. This is the Build Carbon Neutral website. I will put the link below of this tutorial. You can just click on it and go to the websites and calculate it. Let's learn how we can use this website, Build Carbon Neutral website, to calculate embodied carbon. This is completely free platform, and also this website, you can use this website for calculating embodied carbon for AIA 2030 as well. So it means somehow is more better than the first website that I introduced to you. For this website, also you need to add some numbers and to get and calculate. This website helps that you have somehow estimation of embodied carbon of your project. You can I suggest you I suggest you to read all of this part, and it helps you to know how this website calculate embodied carbon of your projects. Reduce, renew, and offset. Let's go and add information. The first thing is that you need to add the total square feet, and then the stories or flows above the ground or below of the ground. If you don't have, you can add at 0. And also the second things that you need to add the structure systems. It's you need to choose it's your structural system is wood, concrete, or steel, or based of a mix of for example wood, concrete, wood, steel, or all of them together. You need to added the types or the closest types of structural systems, and then you need to add the region, which region you are working on it. uh, uh, there is a link below of the equation. You just need click on it, and automatically you go to the uh, a map that helps you to choose your region. According to the color, you can choose the region of of project. It's based on Canada and United States of America. For example, for this one, I'm using north western forested mountain, and but you can change it according your project location. And then you need to added the existing vegetation of your projects, which type of the vegetation, existing vegetation of your project, and then you need to add the types of the installed vegetation that you added to the landscape, and also you need to add the square feet of existing vegetation and the square feet of landscape that you install and added to to the landscape of your project. Let's do that. terms, and just need to agree the terms and then go to the calculate and click on the bottom, and this is the result. The thing I think it's better to pay attention the unit. Sometimes you need to convert the unit to the another unit. Please be careful about the unit that the websites, these two websites, give you to use. And sometimes you, as I told, sometimes you need to change the and convert the unit to the the requested unit that you need to to add your documentation or something like that. Please be careful about that. And you can see with this information that you provided for the website, this is the 566 metric tons of carbon dioxide. It's completely estimation, and it's if you want to have a calculate um, embodied carbon to your project, you need to use some other softwares like Tally, LCA, Tally CAD, or One Click LCA, or other softwares, LCA softwares, to somehow calculate a real number for embodied carbon of your project. But these two websites that I introduced to you is somehow estimation of embodied carbon, not completely calculated embodied carbon. So, please be careful about that. It's these two websites only estimate embodied carbon. If you want to calculate it, you need to choose a better software like TallyCAD, Tally LCA, One Click LCA, or other soft LCA software that acceptable for more acceptable for uh, official actually uh, organization like lead like well or others. I think Athena is another good software as well. Please don't forget to follow me, subscribe, and like this tutorial. It's very helpful for me and encourage me to make another tutorial for you. And also I will add another tutorial for calculating LCA in my YouTube channel.